Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread with yellow cake mix. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and mash 3 ripe bananas until smooth. In a bowl, combine 1 box yellow cake mix, 2 beaten eggs, 1/2 cup oil, and 1/3 cup milk, stirring just until blended. Fold in optional walnuts or chocolate chips for texture. Pour batter into a greased. Start by combining the mashed bananas with eggs and oil in a warm, roomy bowl. Add the cake mix in 2 batches, folding gently to keep the batter light and avoid overworking gluten. Stir in 3/4 cup mix-ins like chopped nuts or 1/2 cup chocolate chips if you want more texture. If batter seems thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk to loosen it slightly before transferring to the pan. Bake the loaf at 350 degrees F and check at 50 minutes to prevent overbaking, then continue until done. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes to set, then move it to a rack so steam escapes and the crust stays crisp. For soft slices, wrap cooled bread tightly in plastic and keep at room temperature up to 2 days, or freeze individual slices for quick breakfasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.